Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Ross, the Tie-Dye Traveling Guy, coming to you from the Rainbow Bar and Grill in West Hollywood, Sunset Strip. My wife Heather and I just got here last night, technically this morning, and I just wanted to not give you a tour of the inside because I have done that in a different video, but I wanted to give you a more in-depth view of these bricks right here. Because I think on the last video I didn't really zoom in a whole lot to show you who was on here. Pantera, Alice in Chains, we got Janis Joplin right here. And I don't know exactly how they do this.
Yeah, how do you do that?
Jimi Hendrix, the Beatles, Bang Tango, hey. Because I feel like it would chip, it would break. Oh, Zappa, we got Frank down there.
Oh, that's cool. I probably separated
Yeah, Johnny Cash, U2, Bee Gees, Chili Willy. Ooh, the Blues Brothers, 9 Inch Nails, David Bowie, Elvis, Puddle of Mud, Megadeth, Alice Cooper, Lou Adler. Oh, there's the Magliaris. Mayor of Sunset Strip, Mario, Elmer, R.I.P. Scarlett, even Mike, R.I.P. Mike Sr. What else we got here? Bob Dylan. Not too many down low here yet, so hey, there's room for y'all. 1962, that it would have been the Villanova in 1962 because this didn't become the Rainbow until I believe April of 1972. So that would have been 10 years before this became the Rainbow. Dokken, Tesla. Ooh, is that Mr. Mojo Rising? House of Pain, Smashing Pumpkins. Ooh, we got Van Halen, Biohazard, ACD, Suicidal Tendencies.
This one's deep.
Oh yeah, it is. Korn, Fishbone.
These are all
Oh, is that the dude that was at the Troubadour last night? Oh, I need to check that out. Fishbone, White Zombie, Garbage, Sublime. Yeah, there's that Korn one.
Oh,
They carved that one deep. I just don't know how they do that without Led Zeppelin, Typo Negative.
Oh, your favorite.
Cypress Hill, Linkin Park with Chester.
Oh, they hit again, good.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, right next to Ozzy.
Youngblood. Sir!
Jesus Christ. Jeez. I just almost shit my pants. I need to get out of here.
Dio. That's how you're supposed to say it.
No, it's not.
The Doors, Cheech and Chong, Bob Marley, Jackson 5. Oh, Zach, BLS. I gotta flip it around. Y'all, I got it. November 7th. Strength, determination, merciless forever. Does not stand for some dumb motherfucker, I'll tell you that much. But hey, we'll flip it around. Oh, yeah, I think I did the Jackson 5, yeah. The Cypress Hill, oh, Metallica. Oh, the Doors. Well, they put Doors and then someone wrote the in front of it. Not officially carved in, but you get the idea. All right, y'all. There is a detailed. I think we did a lot of these. Did we miss any? Not too many up top either.
I'm so spiraling from you yelling at me.
All right, y'all. There's still a lot of open bricks here. The Muppets. Oh, I don't know if I zoomed in on Pink Floyd right there. Definitely got to give
I'm
props.
assuming you got Jimmy.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Oh, look at that. There's even a little guitar pick kind of thing carved in. That's super crazy.
Elvis.
Oh, yeah. I think we got them all. All right, y'all. Coming to you from the Rainbow Bar and Grill. we're gonna head in there a little bit. I stayed in that white residence up there on the hilltop. Oh, yeah, right there. The ground level is a 1-bedroom suite. It's a suite. $300 a night plus a $50 cleaning fee. No, $100 cleaning fee, sorry. And then the upstairs, what they call the penthouse, I believe is a 2-bedroom. And that one is $350 a night plus the $100 cleaning fee. Lemmy's Lounge right behind us. The Lemmy mural. Got that one right there. But, all right. Oh, beep, beep, beep. Backing up. All right, y'all. Coming to you from the rainbow. Those were the bricks. Go get yourself one. And while you're in here, get your pull. So, hey. Oh.
You want me in here?
Oh, all right. All right. There it is. The rainbow, formerly the Villanova. Tie-dye traveling guy. Tie-dye traveling wife. Like, subscribe, share with your friends. Safe travels. Keep rocking, y'all.